New Jersey Life and Health Insurance Exam Cheat Sheet. Let's get started. A client in New Jersey purchases a universal life insurance policy with flexible premiums and an interest-sensitive cash value. If the policy owner stops paying premiums, but the cash value is sufficient to cover the cost of insurance, what typically happens? Is it A, the policy lapses immediately? Or B, the policy enters a grace period only? Could it be C, the policy continues under automatic premium loan or extended term option? Or lastly D, the policy remains in force as long as the cash value covers monthly deductions? The correct answer is D. Here is why. The policy remains in force as long as the cash value covers monthly deductions. Option D is correct because Universal Life allows flexible premiums, and if cash value suffices, the policy continues. Option A is incorrect. Lapse occurs only if cash value is insufficient. Option B is incorrect. Grace period applies if premiums are due, but with cash value coverage, no grace needed. Option C is incorrect. Automatic premium loan is for whole life, and extended term is a non-forfeiture option, not automatic continuation. Next question. Under New Jersey laws common to life and health insurance, a producer's license may be revoked if they engage in twisting, which involves inducing a policyholder to replace an existing policy with a new one from the producer's company through misrepresentation. What additional prohibited practice involves falsely stating that an insurer is about to cease operations to prompt a sale? Is it A, rebating? Or B, defamation? Could it be C, coercion? Or lastly D, misappropriation? The correct answer is B. Here is why. NJSA 17B 30-7 defines defamation in insurance trade practices as making false or malicious statements about an insurer's financial condition or ability to meet obligations. Citation 5. Falsely stating an insurer is about to cease operations constitutes defamation. Option A, rebating, is offering inducements not in the policy. Option C, coercion, involves force or intimidation. Option D, misappropriation, involves theft or improper use of funds. Only option B matches the prohibited practice described. Next question. In a New Jersey HMO, emergency care outside the network is covered if prudent layperson standard applies. What defines this? Is it A, reasonable belief of serious threat? Or B, pre-approval required? Could it be C, only in-state? Or lastly D, after referral? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The prudent layperson standard defines an emergency as a condition manifesting itself by acute symptoms of sufficient severity that a reasonable person would believe urgent medical intervention is required. Option A is correct. Options B, C, and D are contrary to emergency care access requirements. Next question. In New Jersey, a viatical settlement for a life policy requires disclosure of alternatives like accelerated benefits. If the viator receives 80% of face value, what tax treatment applies? Is it A, tax-free for terminal illness? Or B, taxable as capital gain? Could it be C, deferred until death? Or lastly D, ordinary income? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Proceeds from a viatical settlement for a terminally ill individual are excluded from gross income. Option A is correct. Options B, C, and D describe tax treatment for non-terminal life settlements or other transactions. Next question. A producer in New Jersey violates the Do Not Call registry by contacting a prospect without prior consent. What penalty can the commissioner impose under Title 17B regulations? Is it A, fine up to $15,000 per violation? Or B, license suspension for 6 months? Could it be C, mandatory ethics training? Or lastly D, revocation only if repeated? The correct answer is A. Here is why. While the specific DNC penalty is not in the search results, federal TSPA and parallel state laws authorize fines up to $15,000 per violation. Option A is correct based on standard insurance regulatory penalties. Option B is possible but not the specific statutory penalty amount. Option C is remedial but not the direct penalty. Option D is incorrect. Revocation can occur for first offenses depending on severity. Next question. A New Jersey applicant for health insurance discloses HIV status. Under state laws, what confidentiality protections apply? Is it A, separate consent for testing and disclosure? Or B, automatic denial? Could it be C, shared with all underwriters? Or lastly D, public record? The correct answer is A. Here is why. New Jersey law requires specific informed consent for HIV testing and separate authorization for disclosure of HIV-related information. Option A is correct. Option B is incorrect. HIV status alone does not justify automatic denial. Option C is incorrect. Confidentiality restrictions limit sharing. Option D is incorrect. HIV information is not public record. That's it for today. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and tell me what topic I should cover next. Bye.